Oh yeah. Naghahanap ka ba ng Amazon training na may kasamang internship at saka yung may feel mo talaga ano ba talagang ginagawa ng Amazon Virtual Assistant? Are you a side hustler or meron kang corporate job, full-time job, or nag-work as a BPO and you wanna turn your part-time gig into a full-fledged freelancing business? If this is you, then I might be able to help you out. Hi, my name is Mary. I post easy-to-follow daily tasks that you can do to start your freelancing journey. Every day, nagpo-post ako ng mga bagong videos sa pwede nyo sundan na some sort of roadmap kung gusto nyo na maging freelancer, virtual assistant, or gusto nyo na mag-work from home gamit ang computer at internet. Usapan natin yung tinatanong ni John Carlo na parang napakatagal ng question, ngayon ko lang masasagot. Nagbo-bootcamp din po ba kayo ng Amazon VA? I'm not sure anong difference ng bootcamp with the class that we're offering, but just for starters, ang kagandahan guys sa Amazon is that a lot of times it's very flexible in terms of schedule. There's a high demand right now because when pandemic happened, parang ang nangyari is na-double yung seller sa Amazon. So Amazon being one of the largest online marketplace, kumbaga times 1,000 siguro ng Shopee, ang laki talaga ng Amazon. A lot of sellers need assistance in managing their business effectively. Yung demand tuloy ngayon ng Amazon Virtual Assistant is growing rapidly. Also in Amazon, there are lucrative opportunities na pwede ninyong gawin whether you're looking for part-time or full-time. And karamihan sa positions na to, non-voice. Yung mga sellers, they strive to optimize their product lists, and I think yung product listing, enhancing customer service, managing inventory, fulfillment, handling customer reviews, navigating advertising campaign, this and more, they need a virtual assistant to help them out. Kasi sobrang dami ng ginagawa sa isang e-com business pa lang. Imagine if meron pa silang iba't ibang storefront. Ang kagandahan sa Amazon is yung flexibility niya in terms of hours and yung location. So isa sa kauna-unahang nag-outsource ng mga ginagawa nila sa loob ng negosyo ay Amazon sellers. So in return, etong posisyon na Amazon Virtual Assistant gives you work-life balance. Ideal siya para do sa mga gusto ng sariling work schedule or yung mga gusto na lang talagang makaalis sa constraints of traditional office job. Yung corporate job, ganon. Although not many people do freelancing because of that, but it's part of who we are and what we want to be. Pag marunong kang mag-handle ng e-commerce business, you have a valuable skill set that would be applicable to any type of e-commerce business, including Amazon. You gain a lot of expertise in time such as product research, inventory management, customer service, data analytics, advertising campaigns, and this opens doors to a variety of opportunities, hindi lang sa Amazon. So, pwedeng Amazon ka mag-start, tapos lipat ka sa ibang e-commerce platform na gusto mong i-service, or maggaling ka sa ibang e-commerce platform, gusto mong mag-niche down to Amazon. Either or, gumagana siya. Working as an Amazon Virtual Assistant allows freelancers to develop and refine their organizational skills, communication, problem-solving, multitasking skills, and you also gain exposure to the dynamic world of e-commerce and learn how to navigate a highly competitive marketplace, enhancing your professional growth and adaptability. By acquiring the necessary knowledge and skills to become an Amazon Virtual Assistant, aspiring freelancers can tap into thriving market, access diverse opportunities, and build a rewarding career in the e-commerce industry. If you guys are interested to learn how to do Amazon Virtual Assistants, we actually have a class na merong kasamang internship. So, let's start with, ano nga ba nagaganap doon? Merong 2 days na live session. Yung live session, recorded yon, at pagkatapos bibigyan kayo ng kopya. After that, you guys will have 2 weeks of internship. So yes, may gagawin kayo mga tasks na ginagawa talaga ng mga Amazon Virtual Assistant. At pagkatapos, you guys will also have access to different materials na ipoprovide ni Coach Den dun sa class namin. Marami na siyang ginagawa talaga. Ewan ko kung nakikita niyo yung ano niya, TikTok niya. But ang dami na niyang sinishare doon. And you guys will have access, first dibs, sa lahat ng mga pinagagagawa niya as an Amazon Virtual Assistant. Kasi lahat ng mentors namin dito, yung ino-offer namin na class, ginagawa talaga namin sa mga clients namin. If you guys are interested to join, click nyo lang yung link sa profile ko. Kung nasa Instagram naman kayo, click nyo lang to. Kung nasa Facebook naman kayo, i-chat nyo na lang yung caption. At kung nasa YouTube kayo, check the description box. You guys will be taken to this page. Eto siya. Asan ang Amazon? At there. Amazon level 3, 999 pesos lang siya. So yes, kasama na sa 999 pesos yung 2 live na classes, recordings, materials will be provided, access to different apps or systems na ginagamit, plus yung 2 weeks na internship, after nun, application book, pagkatapos mock interview and final activity. So that's your one-on-one with me. I'll teach you how to apply because again, the goal of all of our programs is to make sure na lahat ng mentees namin ay ready na sa freelancing industry. Open na yung June class namin, mag-enroll na kayo dahil alam nyo na nangyayari sa mga klase natin. Nagko-close po siya talaga, automatic kapag kapuno na yung klase. Comment any questions you guys have about working from home. Follow for more work from home chismis. Bye!